Okay. Hi, my name is seriousness, and I live in Cape Girardeau. Um, my son, he's like a lot of young people. He hasn't quite figured out what he wants to do in life, and because of that, he's actually in between jobs right now. But the jobs that he qualifies for are only minimum wage jobs and jobs maybe slightly above minimum wage. He has some college credits, but they really don't qualify him for a good job. So the type of health care that he gets is he's on my plan, and he's 23 and he can stay on my plan under the Affordable Care Act until he's 26. He has some mental health issues due to some trauma, which occurred to him when he was younger. And he sees a therapist on a regular basis. The therapy which he receives is extremely important to him. If he didn't have this therapy, he's having some difficulty in life anyway. But if he didn't have this therapy, he probably would not be a functioning individual. Once he goes off my insurance, he will have a pre-existing condition of his mental health issues. If insurance companies were allowed to discriminate against him, he probably would not be able to get health care, or would only qualify for health care at an exorbitant price. If he's making a minimum wage, if he's working at a minimum wage job, then he wouldn't be able to afford it. So it's extremely important that the protection for pre-existing conditions stay as part of our healthcare laws. I just can't imagine what his life would be like if he were not able to obtain mental health care at an affordable price. I've thought about this a lot. I just can't understand why Josh Hawley would do something like this, try to remove the protections on pre-existing conditions. Is it for his own political gain? At the same time, he's putting the lives and health of people like my son at risk, and of Missourians at risk. And that makes me really angry that he's putting his own political gain above the life and health of Missourians.